Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making better purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two pocket-sized aerial powerhouses, the Loily drone and the Tammy's 4K drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride filled with laughs, insights, and maybe a crash or two. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the cameras. On the left, we have the Loily drone rocking an HD 1080p camera. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your pocket, if Spielberg was more into selfies and less into directing blockbusters. The camera angle can be adjusted up to 90 degrees, perfect for capturing everything from your best duck face to your most dramatic hair flip. On the right, we have the Tammy's 4K drone, boasting a 90 degrees adjustable 4K camera with a 110 degrees field of view. That's right, folks, we're talking 4K. It's like they took a tiny IMAX camera and strapped it to a drone. You'll be capturing images so crisp, you might mistake your backyard for a scene from a National Geographic documentary. Next, let's see how user-friendly these drones are. The Loily drone is practically begging to be flown by beginners and kids. It's got one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and even headless mode. It's like the drone equivalent of a bicycle with training wheels. Reviewers love its ease of use and intuitive controls, making it perfect for new pilots. The Tammy's drone, on the other hand, is also easy to fly, but with a touch of sophistication. It's got one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, and more features than a Swiss Army knife. Gravity control, speed adjustment, 3D flips, you name it, this drone's got it. It's like the James Bond of drones, but without the tuxedo. Reviewers highlight its advanced features and durability, making it ideal for those who want more than just the basics. Now, let's talk about portability. The Loily drone is so compact and lightweight, you could fit it in your pocket or your grandma's knitting bag. Weighing under 250 grams, you don't need to worry about FAA registration. So, no dealing with government paperwork, hooray! Reviewers appreciate its compact design and portability for easy travel. The Tammy's drone is also under 250 grams and comes with a futuristic foldable design. It's like the drone version of a transformer, minus the whole saving the world from Decepticons thing. And yes, it also comes with a carrying case so you can look super cool while lugging it around. Reviewers love its foldable design and the convenience of the carrying case. All right, battery life. The Loily drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you about 25 to 30 minutes of flight time. It also has overvoltage protection, so it won't blow up in your face. Plus, the remote emits a low battery warning. Think of it as your drone's way of saying, hey, I'm getting tired. Let's wrap this up. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time and safety features. The Tammy's drone doesn't specify its battery life, but with all those features, let's hope it can stay up in the air longer than a paper airplane. Brushless motors mean it's less noisy and more durable, so you can spend more time impressing your friends and less time charging. Reviewers note that while the battery life is decent, having extra batteries is a must for extended fun. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. Loily offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and money-back services. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who's always there to bail you out. Reviewers find their customer support reliable and helpful. Tammy's also promises excellent customer service. Whether you're struggling to take off or just need help with repairs, their dedicated representatives are ready to assist. They're like the superheroes of the drone world, minus the capes. Reviewers appreciate the prompt and effective support, although some have noted issues with getting replacement parts. Overall, the Loyly drone is praised for its user-friendliness, portability, and exceptional value for money. It's perfect for beginners and casual users. On the other hand, the Teemee's 4K drone stands out for its camera quality, advanced features, and durability, making it a great choice for those looking for a higher-end experience. However, some reviewers have noted issues with battery life and obtaining replacement parts. So which drone should you get? If you're looking for something user-friendly and versatile, the Loyly drone is your best bet. But if you want that extra camera quality and advanced features, the Teemee's 4K drone is the way to go. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, shop smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.